Hey guys, welcome back to a brand new video. Sorry I didn't do October. I've just been really busy with my flight school scheduling. I'm almost done to finishing flight school and getting my my license, so it's been kind of crazy. But I figured I would do November earlier for you guys. So the cool thing about trading these bio penny stocks, that we know ahead of time what exact date it's going to spike in value. So that's great, right? All right, so let's get right into it, you guys. Okay, so I made a little outline for you guys. And for November, let's only focus on PDUFA release dates for these penny stocks because this is the last phase for the stock, right? So this is their last hoorah. So they're either going to make it or they're going to fail, okay? So that means there's going to be lots of volume in the stock, right? Everybody's going to be watching it. So I thought that'd be maybe a little bit easier for beginners, so let's try that. All right, so the first thing we're going to do is we go to biofarmcatalyst.com, as you guys know. So we go here, we go to calendars, you hit FDA calendar, and here we are. So here's our first one. And I figured I would kind of do this like how I normally would analyze it. The psychology, then the technical behind it, and then getting into the trade. So I thought you guys might enjoy that. So I guess we can try that. Okay, so, all right, so that's the website, right? Number one, go to the website, look when it's going to come out. So the next thing you need to do is go to that stock's website. And if you go under, they usually have like investors tab, and you hit press release, you can find the press release there, okay? So you can go to seekingalpha.com and their website, okay, to find that. So just make sure to be super alert when the PDUFA date comes out. So I would just be stalking that stock, right, on that date. So you guys need to get good at analyzing the report, which is boring, but it's very important for these penny stocks. So just check it out, see if it's overall positive or negative. And the news usually comes out during pre-market hours or during the market. When the market's open, so just keep stalking that stock on its website, on seekingalpha.com, okay? So just keep that in mind. And also remember, we don't invest in these stocks, we just day trade them, okay? So, some key points here. Analyze the report well. So you guys, if it's mixed, just don't trade it, just walk away. So if it's positive, buy it. If it's negative, short it, okay? That's basically it. So let's look at the top penny stocks for November. I made a list here for you guys. And I thought it would be cool if I went to the chart and we could just kind of analyze it from there too, okay? So the first top penny stock for November is going to be RDHL, and it's going to come out on November 2nd. So use Thinkorswim to analyze my my charts. So if we look, this is what I were, and let's just pretend the stock came out with the news, and so the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to analyze the chart, okay? So it looks like it's, okay. So first thing I do is I draw my key levels, right? And from there, you have to learn how to know if the stock is like oversold or overbought. And then you have to, mix that in with the news. So, you guys have seen how I trade live, so maybe you can learn something from there. So all right, so what I do, I analyze the chart. Here it is. Let's say it was good news, right? Good news came out on RDHL, and so I'm drawing my key levels, right? And there's a key level here at 7, and whole numbers are very common. So I drew my key level here. So I know it's a good report, right? So if it breaks the 7, if it breaks 7 and holds, I'm going to buy and go long. I'm going to buy and go long because it was a positive report, right? So buy it and I'll hold it close to, the next level, which I honestly, I'm so conservative, I would sell before it hit the 8. So, and then that would be it. That would be my trade, okay? If that makes sense. So that's how I would analyze it. If it was negative, right? If it was a negative report and this was my key level here, and then I would I would find my other support levels, right? One, here's a bottom one, and here's a very low one. So if it was a negative report, I'm going to short it, right? So I drew my levels. So what I would do, I would short when it broke this next key level, the support level here. So when it broke this level, that would be my confirmation to get in, short it, and I would hold probably near, close to this level and just cover. So that's just how I kind of do it. I hope that makes sense. So that's how I do it. All right, so that's RDHL. All right, the next stock is RHHBY, and that comes out on November 4th. The next top penny stock is LPCN. That comes out on November 9th. And the next stock is AGN. That comes out on November 11th. Next stock is LLY. And that comes out on November 13th. Next one is AQST. That comes out on November 30th. And the last one is IMMU, and that's a cancer stock. Those seem to be very kind of popular because it's a cancer, cancer-related stock. So I kind of watch those a little closer. And the date on that, there's no specific date, but we know it's going to come out around late November and early December. So just be watching, the last week in November, and I guess the first week or 2 of December. So, and that's how I trade these penny stocks. I hope that made sense. Just let me know what you guys want to see. Do you want more monthly bio penny stock top picks? Do you want more how I analyze it, the technicals and the psychology? I don't know. Just let me know in the comments below. Make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.